How to delete your Facebook account permanently on 2023, its latest update. So don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative and latest update for any apps. So in the simply way, so first of all hit the subscribe button, that's help me guys. So first of all open the Facebook app and then go to the settings and click to the settings icon. After that you can see Meta Account Center is showing there, it's new update from Facebook. So just click on the first option and then you can see lots of options. Just click to the personal details option and then in the last portion you can see account ownership and control, so click on that. After that two options is showing there, memorization and deactivation or deletion option, so click on deletion or deactivation option in the second one. After that just choose your Facebook account and then just click to the delete account option in the second one. So just click to the continue option and then just click to the, if you have any page, just convert to any other Facebook account and then just click to the continue option and then just choose any option and then click to the continue option. After that click to the continue option and then just put your password and just click to the continue option. After that your account will be deleted permanently. So that's the process I can delete your Facebook account permanently. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.